Hey everybody, this is just a quick video showing how you can transfer images that are on your RC2 cache into your computer. This is done on a Windows computer. So one thing I was having trouble with is trying to download it. So I figured out how, finally, a lot of trial and error. But on here, what you're gonna do is, if you go to the main screen of the RC2, you go to Album, and there's saved an aircraft album. The cache is going to be right under aircraft album, and everything's going to be in here what you've saved as cache. So it's a lower resolution file, but at least it's something in the case that you do lose your main SD card. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect it through USB-C into your computer, and it should pop up, give you that little ding, and there it is. So once it's here, what you're going to do is you're going to open it, you're going to go to Android, and then here it's going to be Data, DJI Go V5, and then you go to Files, and then Media Cache. And once you go to there, all the files should be in there, and everything's in there, all the video I've taken. So hopefully this will help you guys. That way, if, like I said, if you have an issue with the main SD card or something happens, you lose your drone, at least things are backed up in the cache on the RC2. Okay? Have a good one. Bye-bye.